In this video, I'll guide you through drawing cartoon faces with various hairstyles. To get started, you'll need a sketchbook or blank paper, as well as a pencil and pen if you have one. The first step in drawing anything is observation. We'll begin by drawing different face shapes which you can observe in the world around you, including your own face. I'll include links to earlier lessons on drawing faces and expressions in the description box below. If you haven't already seen those steps, you can go and see that so you can draw along with me today and create your own expressions. If you haven't, then this is the perfect time to just go ahead, draw along with me and learn something new today. Once we have drawn the face shapes, we are going to divide every shape vertically and horizontally approximately in the middle. These are basically guidelines for your nose, eyes, and your mouth. Once the guidelines are done, we're going to start off by adding the ears, the eyes, and the mouth. So for a simple boy's hairstyle, we will start with drawing two lines outside of the ears going towards the top. You'll make a third mark just above the forehead towards the outside of the face and then just join all of these together. Now for the inside, you will draw the curves like I did and you will get a very simple boy's hairstyle. Using this method of creating hair, you can create lots of different hairstyles. For the next one, I'll create a girl with short hair. So the first step is going to be creating curves from the center of the forehead to the ears inside and then follow the same thing that we did for the boy, where we draw these two lines from the outside of the ears and then take up the shape of the head and you decide the length that you want for your character. For the third one, I want to create an old man with less hair and I want him to be balding on the forehead. So all I'm doing is creating two puffs of hair on the sides of each of the ears and you have your character ready. For the fourth character, I'm going to create a boy with bushy hair. So I'm going to do something as simple as just drawing scallops all over the head like clouds, and it's ready. Play around with proportions, have different lengths of your hair, have different textures to your hairstyle. In this one, I'm going to mix two textures of hair where the top part is going to be silky and the bottom part is going to be a little wavy or curly. You can also add other things like facial hair, which I'm going to add to the next character, where I'm going to add some mustache. So you can create lots of fun cartoons this way. You can start off by replicating some of the ones that I have done, and you can start observing people around you and create cartoon versions of how they would look if you had to make their faces. I'm speeding up the rest of the video so you can see all the different hairstyles that I was able to create by just playing around with the proportions and the different textures and by observing the things around me. I hope this video was useful for you. If you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I put up a new video. And don't forget to like my video as well.